Hello guys, welcome back to Land App. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix can't add new records on GoDaddy DNS. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having troubles with adding new records here in GoDaddy, well, there are going to be a few things that you can do here. Now, first thing that you need to understand here is GoDaddy here is a platform that allows you to start managing your website or your domains, but there are going to be some settings that you need to make sure are turned off in order for you to start adding records. So you want to go to your dashboard for GoDaddy, go to dashboard.godaddy.com, go ahead and access domains here, and you want to look for your domain. And what we need to do is we want to go ahead and start accessing, or we want to basically start managing it. Let's go and click on Manage DNS. Now, if what you'll be seeing here on your DNS here, so as you can see, this is our records. As you can see, if you have the Add New Record turned off, then most likely name servers may still be turned on. Or in this case, you might be using name servers. So you can only use either DNS records or name servers. So what you need to do is you want to go to name servers and you want to go ahead and click on change name servers. And what you need to do here is you want to make sure that you use the GoDaddy name servers. In order for you to start adding DNS records, just give you I'm going to click on I'll use my own name servers and just add whatever name servers here. So once you do that, this will actually disable the add DNS record option on your account or your DNS here. So in this case, just switch over to GoDaddy name servers, click on save. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on DNS servers, and that should allow you to add new records. Now, typically, this will solve any issues you may be encountering. But just in case you're still having some issues here, then most likely this is because of some security reasons or security protocols behind GoDaddy, which in this case, what you need to do is you need to reach out to them in order for you to solve this problem. So usually you want to go and click on Help Center at the top right of your screen here. It should redirect you to their help page. And what we need to do is we need to start contacting them. So you could go and click on Contact Us at the very top right here or top section. And this should allow you to basically start the chat here. So chat for quick help, work issues on your account and more. You can even access a different option for you. But then again, this actually depends on your region or where you're currently accessing GoDaddy. So yeah. So if it's available, you should see the option or button here that says chat us. But also another thing you could check here is their system status. Sometimes their system might be down. That's why you're having issues here. So you might see a major outage or partial outage here, degrade performance. So if you do see one of those, and most likely that's a problem. So you might want to go back a few hours or a few minutes after the problem has been resolved. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Land App. Thank you for watching.